old?
Yeah, he's 2 weeks old.
2 weeks, that's enough? He's had shots and stuff?
No.
He won't get to 4.
He's a bottle baby.
He's not vaccinated with his
not
mom.
till 6 weeks. Right. He didn't feed off mom. Mom tried to eat him.
What does she take off of him?
Nothing. They intervened. But she wouldn't stop trying to kill him, so Brittany has him.
Can you get my headphone box? It's in a white bag. Then you'll be able to hear him instead of the rattling of the phone. I was gonna bring you that bar.
Okay, good. Bring me the puppy and the bar back when you're done.
Puppies brought to you by Lenny and Betty's protein sticks.
You can bring it back when you're done.
Trying to do a Wayne's World. I need the extender in case your case is too. I can plug this in for it. His name's Rambo now. First Blood. We'll get you back.